Do you know the largest and third strongest hurricane to hit the U.S.?
Hurricane Sandy.
No, it's Hurricane Katrina. What do you remember about Hurricane Katrina?
Well, it hurt a lot of people. It killed many people, destroyed people's homes.
Yes.
And left people homeless.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What do you know about Hurricane Katrina?
It was a hurricane. And that's all.
Good. How fast do you think the average wind speed was during Hurricane Katrina?
Probably 50 miles an hour. Miles per hour? Miles an hour?
Miles per hour. Yes.
Miles per wind.
Actually, the answer is 175 miles per hour.
I'd probably die.
Do you know why New Orleans flooded during Hurricane Katrina?
There was too much water.
Actually, the levees broke in New Orleans, which caused the water to hit the city and go through the city. What percent of New Orleans do you think flooded from Hurricane Katrina?
79%.
Very good. The answer is 80%.
Oh!
What do you remember about Hurricane Katrina?
It killed a lot of people, and it was like one of the biggest hurricanes like in the country.
Yes. Okay. How much in property damage do you think it cost?
Or on the other side.
Over $5 million.
Actually, it was.
Like, I didn't fill out any of the charts, but I was like,
What do you remember about Hurricane Katrina?
it was horrible.
Oh my
I
God!
remember. It was bad. It's really bad. Don't interview me. Stop.
Okay, I have one more question. What state do you think Hurricane Katrina made landfall in as a Category 1? The first state.
I don't know.
Louisiana.
No, Category 1? I don't know.
Yeah.
I know it hit like New Orleans or something.
Louisiana.
Florida is the answer.
Okay.
Thank you. What do you remember about Hurricane Katrina?
That happened around the Gulf of Mexico and it affected the city New Orleans.
Okay.
It's like 7 months.
Do you know how many countries came to help with New Orleans?
Over 70.
Good. Do you know the country that helped the most?
Yeah, Kuwait, because I'm from there.
Nice. Okay, thank you. That's cute.
Yeah.
What do you remember about Hurricane Katrina?
It was really bad. A lot of people passed away, and it was a really big hurricane.
Do you know what a storm surge is?
I'm gonna guess they search for storms.
Surge. Storm
Oh,
surge.
surge. New. Maybe someone who I don't know.
Storm surge is a really big wave caused by the winds because there's such high winds.
Oh.
So how tall do you think that was?
Like 100 feet.
100 feet? Alright. It was 20 feet. Can you imagine that?
No, I guess I actually can't because I thought it was gonna be 100. So I guess I can imagine 20.
Shrink that down like 5 times.
Okay.
What do you remember about Hurricane Katrina?
Well, it was a hurricane. And yeah.
What was the question?
What year do you think Hurricane Katrina happened?
Early 2000s.
Alright. It was 2005. Where do you think it started?
I don't know.
Well, it started in the Bahamas. Some date.
August 23rd, 2005
Thank you.
in the Bahamas. Thank you. What do you remember about Hurricane Katrina?
I remember that it was a huge storm in the early 2000s.
Okay. Cheater. Thank you. How many people do you think died during Hurricane Katrina?
Over 1,000.
Yes, 1,836. Okay, thank you. What do you remember about Hurricane Katrina?
It was a big storm in 2005.
Yes, thank you. What do you think it was ranked overall from like Atlantic storms?
I'm gonna go with 6.
Yes, that is correct. Thank you.